Sa katatapos lang na IISS Shangri-La Dialogue sa Singapore, inilarawan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na maihahalin tulad sa Act of War kung sakaling may masawing Pilipino sa West Philippine Sea na kagagawa ng mahakbang ng China. Nakatutok si Chino Gaston.
If there was an incident that ended up killing a Filipino serviceman, be they a Coast Guard or in the military and part of the Navy, well, that would be that would certainly increase the level of response. If by a willful act on a Filipino, not only serviceman, but even a Filipino citizen, if a Filipino citizen is killed by a willful act, that is, I think, very, very close to what we define as an act of war.
Ito ang sagot ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos nang tanungin sa IISS Shangri-La Dialogue sa Singapore kung masasabi na bang crossing the red line sakaling isang Pilipino ang mapatay sa pag-water cannon ng China Coast Guard. Bagaman bukas sa mapayapang pagresolba sa tensyon sa rehiyon, hindi isusuko ng Pilipinas ang anumang parte ng EEZ.
In this solid footing and through our clear moral ascendancy, we find the strength to do whatever it takes to protect our sovereign home, to the last square inch, to the last square millimeter.
At sa huli, may basihan ang karapatan ng Pilipinas sa international law at UNCLOS.
So the lines that we